Need help logging into your Milestone Credit Card account? Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can access your account quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the search bar, type Milestone Credit Card Login and hit enter. Look for the official website link, usually titled Milestone Gold Mastercard Login, and click on it. This will take you directly to the Milestone login page. Once on the login page, you'll see the fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the first field and your password in the second field. Be sure to type in your information carefully to avoid any errors. If you've forgotten your username or password, simply click on the Forgot Your Username or Password link right below the login fields. Follow the instructions to recover or reset your login details. After entering your credentials, double-check to make sure they're correct, and then click on the Login button. This will log you into your Milestone Credit Card account, giving you access to manage your card, view your statements, make payments, and more. If you haven't registered your account online yet, you can do so by clicking on the Register Your Account link found on the login page. Follow the prompts to set up your online access easily. And that's how you log into your Milestone Credit Card account. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching.